Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Gala has moved down deeper into the support region that we discussed in previous videos, and actually my next target range has been reached in the last update. It's already been a few days back. We discussed about Gala, that Gala should reach the area between 3.3 and 2.7 cents next. It's done that now. I've tidied up the chart a little bit and added some Fibonacci extensions, which we can observe in addition to the standard support zone that we already discussed weeks, if not months ago. So the next levels to watch are 3.1 cents, 2.6 and 2.7 cents. So there is a bit of a Fibonacci confluence there, of different Fibonacci levels, and then 2.3 cents. It's the 100% extension level of the Y wave. It's just another level to watch, and that could basically, is very close to the lower boundary line of this corrective price channel I've added. Essentially looking for lower prices until the price gives me a first indication that a low is in, and that would be, for example, a first micro 5-wave move to the upside or a break above the upper boundary line of the trend channel. Yeah, and at the moment, I mean, the low could be in at any point, right? So the idea is when we look at the microstructure, if this really is a Z wave, and I'm not very confident in this wave count, okay? So I've got a WXYXZ pattern. I mentioned to you before, it's not a great pattern. It typically doesn't exist. It might morph into something different. But if this is one, then the Z wave should be an ABC. And literally the low could be in very, very soon. But it's still risky until we get a first, the routine, 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. If the low forms in this region, the upside target is, this is long term, around 22 cents. That would be within wave C of 2. If we break below 1.9 cents, I have to assume that this wave 2 rally is already completed. We talked about it many times. This is an ABC rally, from the October low, so it is a bearish chart. However, as I said before, as long as we are in a bullish market, which at the moment we still are overall, and the conditions remain favorable, and Gala can hold the 1.9 cent level, I'm watching for this wave 2 to develop into a larger ABC structure. So instead of just ABC of wave 2, it's ABC in wave A, then a B wave pullback, and then a 5-wave move up in wave C. So we have a larger ABC structure. The wave 2 will top here, and then we can probably head to new bear market lows. But that's only, let's say, a plausible scenario as long as we're holding the 1.9 cent level. Yeah. So it's already, I don't exactly know what this wave count is. I mean, I could also count it as A waves, 3 waves in wave A, then a B wave, maybe even a triangle pattern. But that is rare. When the A wave is a 3-wave move, to have a B wave as a triangle, it's possible. But then the C wave should probably go down even a little bit lower. Let's just double check that. In this case, we'd be looking at, 1.8, 1.9 cents. So don't be surprised if it maxes out the support area. Don't be surprised if it breaks it, because it's only a 3-wave rally. But I'm still watching for reversal here because, it is just a scenario that is currently being tested, and the reward to risk ratio is here more favorable to the upside than to the downside, in my opinion. At the same time, just buying here, I think, is risky until we see a first small reaction. But bear in mind, when cryptos turn around, they do that very, very quickly. So it's up to you how you want to play this. I can only help you understand the market structure and the relevant invalidation points and the levels where probabilities start to shift. By the way, the invalidation point is here at 1.27 cents. That's the update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.